Do you feel fat? Well, here's 5 reasons why you might not be losing weight or gaining it in actuality. Stay tuned. Okay, I know the first one seems kind of obvious here, but you're consuming too many calories. One of the most common reasons people gain weight is consuming more calories than they burn. Eating too much food, especially those high in calories and low in nutrients. I know they're delicious, like Oreos and such, can lead to weight gain. And the Mighty Miracle Man, we can help you come up with a plan to fit your lifestyle. And for a free resource, visit my website in the description for your nutrition guide and take the first step toward a healthier, longer life so you can live longer, feel better, and add life to your years. And the third reason you might not be losing weight, especially losing fat, is poor sleep habits. Poor sleep habits, such as getting inadequate or poor quality sleep, increases appetite, then John hormone ghrelin, and can lead to weight gain or just not losing weight even though you think you should. I myself am guilty of this and was guilty of it for years, and it wreaked havoc on my health. Comment below whether you struggled with sleep quality. The fourth reason you're not losing weight is you're eating too fast. Like, nom, 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 nom. You're stuffing your face faster than your brain can register. Eating too quickly can lead to overeating because it takes around 20 minutes for your brain to register that your stomach is actually full. So sit down, relax, and actually enjoy your food. The fifth and final reason is eating too much processed or junk food. It's crap. I know it's delicious, but eating too much of that kind of food that's high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugars, especially can contribute to weight gain. You know they add a ton of sugar in there. It's best to focus on eating whole, minimally processed, nutrient-dense foods. That way you can live longer, feel better, and then live to your years.